Hey guys, I'm going to be making a habanero hot sauce. That's 2 tomatoes. Okay, so we'll start with salt, uh, onion, 2 tomatoes. The habanero we're going to do 1.5. I'm sorry, I'm showing you how the habaneros here look like, the different variety. This is my first time using them, so I am so excited. So we're going to do that. We'll do that one, and actually it's 1.25 with 2 tomatoes, some garlic. I think I'm not showing that properly, but garlic, and then I'm going to do 3 what we call them, they're called dates. So I've chopped them up there, as you can see, and also there's some apple cider vinegar. So there's the garlic, the dates, the salt, the apple cider vinegar, the tomatoes, the onions. Yeah, so I'll put them all into the blender. As you can see, I'll start with the tomatoes first, so that you help the blender blend, because that one is more watery, so you don't have to keep adding more liquid, because the sauce should be thick and not too watery. There it is really hot. So now I'm just going to put them in a sieve, or I don't know what you call it, that may call it a sieve. So because I don't have a big one, I'm going to put it in 3 separate ones, 3 small ones. If you have a big one, it makes your life easier. You're not going to shake it, you're just going to let the water just drip. I let it drip for, let's say, half, maybe an hour and something, because I didn't watch. So it's nice and thick as I like. So just put it in the sieve, that's it, you don't do anything else. So I like that thickness, it's a nice thickness and it has a lovely color. So I'll just put them all into a container, glass container. I rinse it with the hot water, and yeah, I'm just going to put it. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm holding my phone and also trying to put the sauce. So this is the habanero hot sauce, how to make it. So that it is. This is my first time making it. Actually, people normally make it with white onion. I just did it with what I had. I don't have any white onions at the moment, but it was truly hot. It's hot, hot, hot. It is nice. It has a sweetness and also a hotness, but it was more hot than it was sweet. So next time, I think I add like maybe 4 days or something. As you can see, it looks lovely. I'm sorry the quality of the camera is not so hot, but it is really, really nice. So at least I use that one slowly, because I like eating food with chili. Guys, thanks for watching, and bye. There is a container. It's really, really nice. See you the next one. Bye.